What, 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 what.
C'est bon.
Bon, pour mon bike check alors, j'ai guidon éclat avec poignée BSD, potence BSD top load, jeu de direction animal, roue montage perso moyeu BSD cercle salt, les pegs c'est Odyssey, fourche Sumbrosa, sel tube de sel BSD, shadow pour le collier de serrage, pédale foundation. Pédalier Foundation Courant Division Chain Shadow Chrome. Après pour l'arrière c'est une Amity complète. Et puis bah on va laisser tout ça.
Attends.
But shit, it was 99 cents. I get copping it, washing it. About to go and get some compliments. Passing up on those moccasins. Someone else has been walking in. Bummy and grungy fucking man. I am stunting and flossing and saving my money. And I'm hella happy that's a bargain, bitch. I'ma take your grandpa style. I'ma take your grandpa style. No, for real. Ask your grandpa, can I have his hand-me-down? Velour jumpsuit and some house slippers. Dookie brown leather jacket that I found. Dig it. They had a broken keyboard. I bought a broken keyboard. I bought a ski blanket. Then I bought a kneeboard. Hello, hello, my ace man, my mellow. John Wayne ain't got nothing on my fringe game, hell no. I could take some pro wings, make them cool, sell those. The sneakerheads will be like, ah, he got the Velcro.
I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome. Ow. I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up.